Make it work, Miaira, make it work, Miaira. Make it work, Miaira, make it work, Miaira. Now make it work, work, work. Make it work, work, work.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Miaira back with another video. I know it's been a minute. I haven't recreated a celebrity designer look in a while, so I'm really excited about today's project. I'm gonna be trying to replicate this Selena Gomez look from the VMAs by Oscar de la Renta. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Your girl already did her hair, got that hair laid. I'm trying to get ready for this look. I'm gonna pull it behind my ears. Shout out to Zelouf Fabrics for sponsoring this video, y'all. The selection on Zelouf Fabrics website is impeccable. Here's the fabric I got on Zelouf Fabrics, Elta foiled stretch lace. Not exact, it's not beaded, but it is shimmery, it's glittery, it's gorgeous. So I'm so excited to tackle this project. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take the fabric, I'm gonna safety pin it to my body, skin tight, nice and fitted. I'm going to make sure that the lace pattern is kind of vertical because we want those stem pieces hanging down. And it's not gonna look see-through right now because I'm wearing black, but I do have this shapewear. Where'd it go? It's the closest I could freaking find to my skin tone. Why can't I find shapewear that's in my skin tone? It's crazy. So I'm gonna wear this under so you can still see the lace, but yeah. Okay, for now, we'll just do this. Starting from the top. Bam. I need chapstick. What? I'm on the last pin. I want it to look expensive. Designer. You know what I mean? Boom, 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 boom. So here we go. I'm gonna take it off. It's time to do some cutting. Cut. Trying to take this off with the safety pins is actually insane. I'm sweating, I'm getting too hot. Please. Oh my gosh. Oh, here we go. Oops. I decided to go ahead and cut the side open too and shape it. I'm gonna go get my sewing clips, take those pins out and clip both the sides so it's just easier. I messed up. It's supposed to be right sides together and I clipped it together with the right sides showing. So I gotta take this apart and re-clip it. Flipped it inside out, right sides facing, right sides together. Clipped it and now we can head to the sewing machine. Hey baby, what are you doing, boy? Now it's time to sew. Oh. Are you ready to see this dress done? Okay, y'all, look. I love how it's fitting. It's really long, obviously too long. So what I'm gonna do is put on some heels and then I'll have an accurate idea of how long the pieces need to be that are hanging down. Oh, I just love how this looks. Here. Love. When I tell you I love how this dress looks so far, look at this. Bam. Wow. I'm gonna spray this fabric stiffener all over the bottom. Got this online. I will link it below. I just want it to be stiff enough to make it easy to cut out these individual lace kind of vertical lines or stems. It's quick dry, so it should take only about an hour to dry. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it, get ready to cut it, attach the straps, and then I'll be ready to try it out. Let's do it. A lizard underneath my dress. Lizard friend, please relocate. All right, the bottom is all dry. It's definitely more stiff than the top, but it's not like super stiff. It'll definitely help when I'm cutting it though. So this piece, I actually sprayed the front and the back with a stiffener, and it's much stiffer than the bottom of the dress. Trickier than I thought it would be. Oh, shit, did I go too high? I'm trying to figure out the correct pathway. Y'all, this is taking longer than I thought. It is now nighttime. I've been doing this for hours now, hours. All I have to do is finish cutting and attaching the straps, and then I'm gonna wait to do the front here until I put the bodysuit on and try it on because I want to make sure that everything is really secure and really fitting nicely. But y'all, this made the craziest mess. But look at the dress. It's so pretty. So pretty. All right, so I'm gonna go get ready, put the dress on, and I will show you all the final look. Let's go. Look at this dress. Look at this dress. I'm so obsessed with it. I can't even get over it. I can't get over it. Obviously, it's not an exact replica, okay? They sisters, they ain't twins. I just absolutely adore this dress. It looks so good. That is it, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about this dress. Let me know what you want to see me make next. What do you want to see me make next? Again, a huge thank you to our sponsor for today's video, Zelouf Fabrics. Y'all are amazing. This fabric was amazing. I have leftover fabric, by the way, so let me know if y'all have any ideas, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye. You like it? Yo no yo.